Welcome back to my YouTube channel Grandpa Mathematics. Today let us see how to evaluate the integral by the method of partial fraction. Some of the problems can be solved easily by using partial fraction. In this rational expression, the degree of numerator is 1, degree of denominator is 2, therefore this is a proper fraction. If the degree of the numerator is equal to the denominator or greater than the denominator, we call that rational function as an improper rational function. So this is proper rational function. So we can express this as a sum of two partial fractions. So we can write this as a by x minus a plus b by x minus b, where a and b are arbitrary constants which we have to find. The second one, we can write px plus q by x minus a whole square. So again this is a proper fraction only. So we can write this rational function as the sum of two partial fractions, a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. Suppose px square plus q by x minus a, x minus b into x minus c. This can be written as, again this is a proper fraction only. Degree of numerator is 2, degree of denominator is 3, is a proper fraction. So we can write this as a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c. Now we will see another case, px square plus q by x minus a into x square plus bx plus c. So we can write this as a by x minus a plus bx plus c by x square plus bx plus c. Let's see the another case, px plus q by x minus a whole square into x minus b. How we can write this? X minus a whole square is there, so for that we can write a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. For this term x minus b, we can write this as c by x minus b, where a, b, c all are arbitrary constants which we have to find. So in this integral, we can write this rational expression as, that is, let x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. How we can write? A by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. We call this as equation 2. So a, b, c are arbitrary constants. We have to find these values. So to find the values, what we have to do, multiply both sides by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. If you multiply this term by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3, what we will get? X we will get. So x is equal to, if we multiply this term by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3, what will get? That x minus 1 gets cancelled the other two terms, x minus 2 into x minus 3 will come, plus b into, if we multiply this term by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3, x minus 2 will get cancelled, then x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. We call this equation 3. Now tell me how to find the values of a, b, c. By putting values x is 2, 3, 1 like that. So first x, if you put x is 2, this term 2 minus 2, this term will become 0. 2 minus 2, this also will become 0. We'll get the value of b. Okay, you're putting x is 2, x, left hand side x is there, x is 2, that is equal to, here 2 minus 2 is nothing but is equal to a into x minus 2. So if you put x is 2, what happens? 2 minus 2, that will become 0. Then b into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 3. If you put x is 2, this will become 0. So that means you will get 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 3, minus 1. So minus b is 2, minus b is equal to 2. This gives the value of b is equal to minus 2. Now put x is equal to 1. Put x is 1. We get, put x is 1, this become 1 is equal to, by putting x is 1, we'll get a into 1 minus 2, minus 1, 1 minus 3, minus 2, plus, if we put 1, this term becomes 0, 1 means this also becomes 0, so we'll get the value of a. Minus 1 into minus 2, 2a is 1, so a is equal to half. Now again put x is equal to 1 to, now we can put 3. Once you put 3, these two terms will become 0, we'll get the value of c. So put x is 3, in 3 we get x is 3, this will become 0, 3 minus 3, this also will become 0. So c into 3 minus 1, 2 into 3 minus 2, 1. So this gives 2c is 3, or c is equal to 3 by 2. C is 3 by 2. Therefore 2 becomes a by x minus 1. A is half, so half by x minus 1 plus b is minus 2. So minus 2 by x minus 2 plus c is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 by x minus 3. So now we have to integrate. So what will put? Integral dx. So integral dx. Nothing but a half times integral dx by x minus 1 minus 2 times integral dx by x minus 2 plus 3 by 2 times integral dx by x minus 3. Okay, if we differentiate x minus 1, dx is coming. So the value of this integral is log of x minus 1 minus 2 times. If we differentiate x minus 2 dx, so minus 2 times log of x minus 2 plus 3 by 2 times log of x minus 3 plus constant. So in this integral, this integrand x by x square plus 1 into x minus 1, this we can write as here degree of numerator is 1, degree of denominator is 3, it is a proper fraction. So x square plus 1 is not possible to factorize further. So for this we can write this x square plus 1 is there. So we can write ax plus b by x square plus 1 plus x minus 1, c by x minus 1. Again we will multiply this equation 2 by x square plus 1 into x minus 1. X is equal to, if we multiply this term by x square plus 1 into x minus 1, that x square plus 1 term will get cancelled and we will be getting ax plus b into x minus 1 plus, if we multiply this term by x square plus 1 into x minus 1, x will get to c into x square plus 1 and x minus 1 term gets cancelled. So that means take this case ax plus b by x square plus 1. When you multiply this by x square plus 1 into x minus 1, this get cancels. You're getting ax plus b into x minus 1. Ax plus b into x minus 1. Left hand side x1 means 1 is equal to a x1, a plus b into 1 minus 1, 0 comes. So this term vanishes. C into 1 square plus 1, that is 2. So this gives the value of c is 1 by 2. Now what value we have to substitute to get the value of a and b? We'll put some x is 0, put x is 0. We can put any values. X is 0 means this left hand side, this becomes 0 is equal to a into 0, this becomes 0, b 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1. So this x 0 means this 0, so b comes here, 0 minus 1 minus 1 plus c into x is 0, so we get 1. So c into 1 is c only. So can see here minus b plus c is equal to 0. So that means the value of b is equal to c is equal to half. Put minus 1. So put x is minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to x is minus 1. So minus 1, a into minus 1 minus a plus b. X is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 2 plus c into x is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2. So this gives minus 1 is equal to minus a plus c value half into 2. So implies minus 1 is equal to minus a into minus 2. So it will be 2a minus a into minus 2, 2a plus into minus half into 2, 1. So minus 2a is minus 1 or a is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, this one 2 becomes a is equal to minus half. So minus half x plus b is equal to half by x square plus 1 plus c is a half. So half by x minus 1. Therefore, integral x by x square plus 1 into x minus 1 dx, this is equal to integral minus half times x plus half by x square plus 1 plus dx. So we need not write like this, we can write directly integral this into dx plus integral this into dx, like that we can write directly. So now this becomes, we can write here minus half by x square plus 1. So we can write minus half, I'll take outside, integral x by x square plus 1 dx, then plus half times integral dx by x square plus 1 plus half times integral dx by x minus 1. See here, integral dx by x minus 1, value of this will be log of x minus 1. Integral dx by x square plus 1, the value of this will be tan inverse x. And here integral x by x square plus 1. So if we differentiate x square plus 1, what will come? 2x will come. Only x is there. So I will write 2x here, multiply by 2, again divide by 2. So I will write this as 4. So that this will become log of x square plus 1. Because if we differentiate x square plus 1, we are getting 2x. Therefore, I is equal to minus 1 by 4 times log of x square plus 1 plus half times tan inverse x plus half times log of x minus 1 plus constant. So we can leave like this, or we can group these two terms together and we can simplify this. 1 by 4 into log of this whole square by this plus half times this one. Like 3x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square can be written as a by x plus 2 plus b by x plus 2 whole square. Multiplying throughout by x plus 2 whole square, we get 3x minus 1 is equal to, when you multiply this by x plus 2 whole square, a into x plus 2 we multiply this by x plus 2 whole square, only b comes. So now put x is minus 2. This term vanishes, we'll get the value for b. Put x is minus 2, we get x is minus 2 means 3 into minus 2, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 1, minus 7 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2, this 0, b. So b is equal to minus 7. How to get the value of a? So put x is 0. If you put x as 0, 3 into 0 minus 1, minus 1 is equal to x is 0, so it becomes 2a plus b. We know the value of b is minus 7. So this gives 2 minus 1 is equal to 2a minus 7 plus minus 2a is equal to minus 7 plus 1. So minus 6. This gives the value of a is 3. Minus 2a is minus 6, a is 3. So a is 3 and b is minus 7. So instead of taking 0, here x plus 2 was there, we put x is minus 2, we got the value of b. We taken x is 0 we have put and we got the value of a is 3. So let us put x is 1 and see what value we are getting for a. Again we will be getting 3 only. Put x is 1. We get x is 1 means 3 minus 1 2 is equal to x is 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3a plus b. B is what? Minus 7. Minus 7. 2, 3. So for x, we can substitute any values. So we got the value of a is 3 and b is minus 7. Therefore, 1 becomes 3. 3 by x plus 2 dx plus b is minus 7. So minus 7 times integral dx by x plus 2 whole square. Now 3 will take outside, then integral dx by x plus 2. If we differentiate x plus 2, we are getting dx. So value of this will be log of x plus 2. Minus 7 times this we can write as integral x plus 2 power minus 2 dx plus c dash. So 3 log x plus 2 minus 7. This is integral x power n dx form. If we integrate, what will come? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x plus 2 power minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 by minus 1 plus constant. And therefore I is equal to 3 log of x plus 2 plus constant. So this is the answer. Seven is there. Okay, 7 by x plus 2 plus constant. So in this integral, the degree of numerator is 2, degree of denominator also 2. So it is not a proper fraction. So that means you have to divide numerator by denominator. 1 minus x square by, will multiply and write x minus 2x square. When the degree of numerator and the denominator both are same, we can adjust the numerator in such a way that this gets simplified. So what you do, minus 2x square is the minus x square. So multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So half times 2 minus 2x square by x minus 2x square. Further we can write x minus 2x square is here 2 plus x we want. So plus x minus 2x square. So x minus 2x square, or we can write 2 minus x plus x. Okay, 2 minus x plus x like this. Now when you divide x minus 2x square by x minus 2x square, that becomes 1, and 2 minus x by x minus 2x square, this becomes a proper fraction. So half times 2 minus x by x minus 2x square, again plus half times this by this is equal to 1. So we call this as 2. So let 2 minus x by, this is nothing but x into 1 minus 2x. X into 1 minus 2x, this equal to a by x plus b by 1 minus 2x. So I have not changed this to x minus 2 to x minus 1. I just retained as such x into 1 minus 2x, 2 minus x like this. Now multiply throughout by x into 1 minus 2x. We will get 2 minus x is equal to a into 1 minus 2x plus b into x. In 4, in x4 we get x is 0 means 2 minus 0, 2 only. X is 0 means this term becomes 0. X is 0 means this is 0, a into 1 minus 0, so we will get the value of a. So a, so this gives the value of a is equal to 2. Put x values half. We put x is half, 2x becomes 1. So put x is half, we get half, 2 minus half will be 3 by 2 is equal to half. This becomes 0, 2 into half, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, plus b into x is half. So this gives the value of b is equal to 3. Therefore 3 becomes, 3 means only this term, only this one. A by x, a is 2, so 2 by x plus b is 3 by 1 minus 2x. So this is only for this term, for this we written like this. Therefore I is equal to half times, this was I was there, half times bracket. For this we have to write these two terms. For this one, we have to write these two terms 2 by x plus 3 by 1 minus 2x plus half integral dx. So here we can write this as half times half into 2, that becomes 1, half into 2 1, integral dx by x plus 1 by 2 3 by 2 3 by 2 integral, if we differentiate 1 minus 2x, what will come? Minus 2 will come. So minus 2 should be in the numerator. So minus 2 by minus 2 into 1 minus 2x dx plus integral half times dx. This one, half times dx. So this value will be log of x. Here 3 by minus 4, 3 by minus 3 by 4. If we differentiate 1 minus 2x, minus 2 is coming. So log of 1 minus 2x plus 1 by 2 times x plus constant. So this is the answer.